I'm out here at my house and we're gonna do some freestyle motocross. So as you can see, the landing is just absolutely destroyed, obliterated. So we're gonna clean that up, and then got a nice fun tree to knock down. Obviously it's in the way, so got to get rid of it. Unfortunately, the camera stuffed up, so I didn't get it on video, but I mean, easy work for the 330. But now the next problem is, how the hell am I gonna hide this massive tree from my dad? My dad's a bit of a greenie, so you know, he doesn't let me knock down trees, and obviously I'm not too much of a greenie, so I just absolutely knock the thing out while he's out of town. But now what the hell am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to find a hiding spot for this tree. As you can see, it's a pretty great hiding spot. Doesn't really matter, he'll never come down here. But anyway, you see the lake around there with all the jumps and stuff. That is going to be getting completely transformed within the next year or so. So I'm going to be uploading heaps and just building heaps and jumps and getting a lot better on the dirt bike. So stay tuned for all of that. Like and subscribe, and have a good day. That big one was some good fun. Now I'm gonna give this one a hit, and I haven't hit this ramp in probably a few months, so it's definitely gonna be quite a little bit scary. It's not that big of a gap, it's probably like maybe 8 meters, 10 meters, but like, you know, I just haven't hit this ramp in so long, it's like scary to do. But just started working on a new jump over there. Should have that done by next weekend, and I'll fucking put a video of me hitting it. But this should be some good fun. That was some pretty good fun. You can see how windy it is right now. It's pretty ridiculous. But I'm gonna see if I can throw maybe some single cans on this thing. See what I can throw down. Now, out of all the ramps, I will say this setup is the most dangerous because it's on an incline and it's also the steepest ramp I have. So, you know, on the video, it really doesn't look steep at all, but I tell you, this thing is hard to hit. You basically just go like all the way onto the big old landing up here, which, I mean, this jump's cool, really cool. I think I should really put like a better ramp that's not so messed up, but I'll give it a hit. Hopefully I don't crash. And I'll just give you the reason why I don't like this ramp so much is because you see this sand right here is like the softest thing, and you're basically on soft sand. Then you come here, you have all the grip in the world, so you kind of have to slow down, and then basically you get on here and you realize you're not going fast enough, so you have to like pin it again. It's like probably the worst setup there is, but it's also so fun to hit. But right then I just came up pretty short. Obviously you can see I like dug the hell into the landing, but I think I'll give it a few more hits anyway.